We're here at IFA in Berlin checking out LG's new dual screen phone. It is actually an LG phone and then a case that has a second screen. So when you put it in, that other side of the case lights up and you got two screens. So why have two screens on your phone? Well, multitasking, that's what LG says. Everybody multitasks. We have two screens in front of our face all the time anyways. Why not just put them in front of you in one device? If you are a serious multitasker, I could see how this could be useful if you want to say, read your favorite website and then watch YouTube videos at the same time. I can also see how the dual screens would be really useful if you're a content creator or just like a really enthusiastic consumer of content. Let's say that you want to watch baseball on one screen and football on the other, or if you want to do a live stream with your fans and be talking to them here and then watching the comments on the other screen. This is a super helpful way to do that. And you can't really do it on any other device because this is pretty much the only dual screen phone on the market right now. Another cool application is for gaming. So you can actually have your game screen on the top and then the second screen can be a controller, which is a lot better than having your controller actually go over the screen where you're trying to see what you're doing. For the most part, you're using separate apps on separate screens. A couple of exceptions would be, let's say you want to browse the web and kind of have a bigger canvas. There's this web browser from Korea that lets you do that. But because there's going to be that bezel in the middle, it's really not a great experience for just a giant screen, which you might get from like a folding phone. So a way to think about it is actually not as like one dual screen phone. It's actually basically two separate devices that are connected and can work together. It's immediately obvious that LG's new dual screen phone is different, and because of that, I think it's going to take a little bit of time to see how people use it. LG hasn't said how much it will cost yet, but it should be available this year.